use kimchi in all different forms. I would say that we make anywhere from about 9 to 12 different types of kimchi. I just love to kimchify any vegetable that I find in the market. So we always have a stash of small batches as well. I would say any one of our dishes have some sort of kimchi component in them. If you're making kimchi at home, it really depends on what ingredients you have access to. So growing up, we had this beautiful vegetable garden in our backyard, and my grandma started this garden because in the neighborhood we grew up in New Jersey, it was really hard to find any Asian vegetables. So her goal was to really grow anything like Korean or Asian or something that we couldn't find, and that way we could harvest it and make kimchi, fresh from all different types of Korean vegetables whenever we wanted. Red pepper powder is a key component in making kimchi. It's called gochugaru in Korean, and the better quality your gochugaru is, the more delicious and beautiful your kimchi will be. So it really depends on what you want for your kimchi. For our restaurant, my recipe is special, and using all the different fish sauces is important to me just because that's how my grandma did it. When you're making kimchi at home, if you want to go all out and use all different types of fish sauce and maybe even put some raw fish in there, there's so many different ways to make kimchi. So how we make it at our restaurant is not better or worse. It's just, different.